Find the printer pin for the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 580, 590, and 5100 printer series. The printer pin is a secure feature designed for HP printers to access embedded web server settings. This pin prevents unauthorized users from accessing or modifying printer settings. Open the cartridge access door. Locate the label inside the cartridge access area to view the factory default credentials. The credentials include the printer pin. Close the cartridge access door. If the default pin number has been changed and a custom pin has been set, check with the printer administrator to get the new pin number.